how to add shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to add shipping on your Facebook Marketplace, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, and then you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with facebook.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you do that, you need to just simply go with the marketplace section, which will be on the left side. Once you're here, you just need simply go with create new listing, which will be on the left side again. And you're going to go for item for sale. Now, once you come to this kind of interface, obviously you're going to add like whatever photo for the brand that you want. Give it a little title. You can set up a decent price for yourself. Once you set up a price, just go and enter some description right here. Go with the availability, product tags, and everything. You need to just simply go with all of the information right here. You can go with the product color. Once done, you can scroll down, and as you can see that you will have the product tags and a location. You will have meetup preferences as well. So once it asks you for the meetup preferences, choose public meetup for yourself. Now boost listing after it's been published. Click on next, and you can just simply go and list it in your group. Click on list in your groups and then go with publish. And what this does is it adds shipping to whatever product you place on the Facebook Marketplace. So this is basically how easily it is to add shipping on your Facebook Marketplace. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.